Hello, fam. My name is Davlin, and you're watching TikTok News. Subscribe to the channel Morans Promotions and leave your notification bells on so that you get notified anytime we post a video. Let's get into the updates for today. Let's watch this video.
Tia say ebo na ban ne dia mai no wa be daadai wa twa ye ntro ti se ye hia ha ne ye ba be bonu dua edua ye ba be bonu no so no enye dua ye bonu se aya agoro ye bonu dua ma na hu se edua na eche no kopem se wodi sika ne bi beto so ama ni bohye na o hye ye no abam se sa bohye na o hye ye no sa mamu dia ene ni dua abo no ensanie na akokomie se 6,000 na amadi ene omanpahini hwe kokodi aye walanti butubu aye dendenden ena okoto se kan ento adura di kokoko so to ento hwe de koko aye ehu se prarara hwe akate de aye kokoi hwe merewafo nketesia aye tu ehu se be ku adwuma mo hwe de aban ne de adiye aban de odi adiye diye udu abone e de ba betu dwa no kopim se obato koko onum no se wantum wo oboshe na wo hye ne dia ende na asamafu e mumla o na nanu samafu e mon kan ho abana daadai wadada so obema ye 6,500 sa 6,500 no so abana fa amaye enti wonto se ye benya sa sika no se ode madia ende aban wo ho totoro to wo ho.
Guys, the video we just watched is a group of farmers who have come together to curse the president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And their reason for doing so is that during his campaign, he promised them that he was going to increase the price of cocoa when he comes to power. But he's in power now and they are not seeing any change. The price of cocoa is still the same. They've come together. Omo bought the president of Ghana, dear. I don't even know what to say about this video. Yentuaso. A letter from the Asante Council has been released stating that they are inviting the other chiefs, queens and kings for a meeting. We don't know what exactly the outcome is going to be, but we are hoping and praying that it is going to be a good news. So there has been a helicopter crash also in Kenya, Nairobi to be precise, and 6 lives were lost. 4 were doctors and 2 civilians, and 2 also are seriously injured. We are hoping that they will get better. The black box, which they are supposed to use as a source of investigation, hasn't been found. They are looking for it though, so we are hoping and praying that it will be found for us to know the main source of the accident. This is the end of our update. My name is Davlin, and thank you for watching.